Anchor, meaning pronunciation, anchor. Anchor is a heavy object used on a ship or boat to stop it from moving. Anchor can also mean a person who presents news on TV news anchor. Anchor can also mean something that gives support or keeps something stable. Simple meaning: anchor equals 1 ship stopper, 2 news presenter, 3 strong support. Common uses. 1 anchor noun, a heavy metal tool for boats/ships purpose. It keeps the ship in one place. 2 anchor noun, a TV news presenter. Example, news anchor. 3 anchor verb, to fix or hold something firmly. Example, the rope is anchored to the wall. 4 anchor figurative, support or main base. Example, family is my anchor. Examples, daily use sentences. 1. The ship dropped its anchor near the shore. 2. The anchor kept the boat from moving. 3. She is a famous news anchor. 4. Please anchor the table to the floor. 5. His best friend became his anchor during hard times. Real-life explanation. On water, an anchor stops a boat from drifting away. In life, an anchor can mean a strong support that keeps you stable. On TV, an anchor is the person who reads and presents news.